Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you one of the most important features in N8N, especially if you run it locally. So let's begin. So we all know that there are things called nodes in N8N. These help you do a lot of things. So for example, if we go to action and app nodes, we have a whole list of nodes. These are nodes that are given by N8N themselves. But let's say you don't find this enough. You want more nodes, more power. What do? Well, N8N has you. So all you have to do is just go to the cog, which is the settings, go to community nodes. The community nodes are custom made nodes by the community. So to get them, it's very simple. Again, settings, community nodes, go to install a community node like this, and you can browse. So if we browse, we have thousands of community nodes. It's a lot. It's a lot. So you have a lot of choice. Also, this also means that you can make your community nodes, which is very cool. But for now, let's just take one to show us an example, this text manipulation. So we take this, we go back here, and we just paste the name. That's it. Of course, I agree to this since it's a community node, not supervised by N8N. It's unverified technically, so we don't care about that. So install, wait for it a bit, and we have our node here. If we go back to our workflow and we press the sign and just write text manipulation, as you can see, we have it. Of course, to differentiate nodes from community nodes, you have this cube icon. This signifies that it's a community node. So we just add workflow, we click here, and look at that, we have a community node. This is very powerful. If you don't find anything that helps you here, the community most likely got. So that was it. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.